Need to split cell text? There are a couple super easy ways to do this. The first one, the easiest, select all the data you want to split. Go to Data, Split Text to Columns. Now you'll notice it already did it. It detected the separator automatically. Now we call this the delimiter in formulas. And if it's a comma or a semicolon or a period or a space, you can tell it what to do. Notice if you select it yourself, you'll get a more accurate answer. There's also a formula you can use to split the text into different cells. If you want to split cell text with a formula, use equals. Split, select what you want to split, and then you need to choose the delimiter. The delimiter is what is going to separate the cells. In this case, there's a space between the two words. So quote, space, quote, close, we've got it. It split it for us. And you can just copy that, paste it all the way down, and that will do the same everywhere else you have data. And those are the two ways you can split cell text in Google Sheets.